Unraveling the Joy of Hooray. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving deep into a commonly used exclamation in the English language. Hooray. Ever heard someone shout this out in joy? Let's understand what it really means and how you can use it. Hooray is an exclamation of joy, approval, or encouragement. It's something people shout out when they're excited or happy about something. Imagine your favorite team just scored a goal, or you heard some fantastic news. That's when you might hear or use hooray. Though it might seem like a simple word, hooray has an interesting history. It's derived from older exclamations like huzzah. Over time, as language evolved, hooray became the popular variant. In daily usage, it's common in celebrations. Birthdays, anniversaries, or any small victory can be met with a cheerful hooray. It's a word that carries positivity, so you'll rarely find it used in negative contexts. Understanding a word or phrase is easier with examples. Let's check out some sentences. 1. Hooray! We finally finished the project. 2. She shouted, hooray! When she found out she passed the exam. 3. Hooray for the weekend! I can't wait to relax. Notice how in each case, the word is emphasizing joy or celebration regarding the subject at hand. While hooray is predominantly an English exclamation, many cultures have their own versions of celebratory exclamations. For instance, in Spanish, you might hear hurrah. In French, it could be hurrah. In German, hurrah is used. These exclamations, though slightly different in pronunciation, carry the same enthusiastic spirit as hooray. There we have it. Hooray is more than just a word. It's an emotion, a celebration, and a way to express joy. Next time something wonderful happens, or you want to cheer someone on, you know what to say. Keep learning, keep growing, and until next time, hooray for you and your dedication to learning.